Hi friends, you're welcome to my channel. So guys, today we'll be learning how to fix the tension, our machine tension. So this is a 2 iron machine. So we'll be learning how to fix the tension whenever it has any faults. Okay, right now I'm trying to lose it. I'm trying to lose it to scatter everything. So when you notice that your machine has been scattered this way, how do you fix it? So you go ahead. First, you place this, okay, not this way. If you put it this way, it's wrong. You bring it out, turn it like this, this is how it should be. And the next thing is you get this, okay, there are two. See, you get this. The next thing is you place it like this, not this way. When you fix it this way, you see it won't work, so you fix it like this, okay, with this facing the other one this way. And after that, you move over to this one. There are two, the big one and the small one. So the next thing is to be fixing the big one first. You push it in this way, and after that you go in with a spring. You place it this way, this is it, and then you go in with a small one. All right, you don't fix it this way, no, rather you turn it this way, so you can see. So the next thing is to go in with a screw. So you start tightening, okay, voila, this is it, all done. The next thing, you connect your thread. So you connect it into this place, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. You'll be getting more videos and a lot of them. Thank you as you subscribe, and remain blessed. Bye.